Gentlemen, about to do the wheel bearing on this Chevy Venture, and I'm gonna try to edit in the time lapse and this little intro video, and then what I'm gonna do is just set up the wheels. The first video I posted about this van, I guess I can't flip back forward now, can I? The first time I did a video, I couldn't quite determine. I couldn't quite determine which side was actually failing. Well, since then it's gotten way noisier, and after I get it up on jack stands, I'm going to listen to with my stethoscope to just verify. I think it's this side over here, but you never know. So anyways, we're gonna get this thing up on jack stands. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is probably gonna be the best view of this bearing. It is the passenger front, and let me just do a quick little walk around. Most of you guys doing your own work should be pretty familiar with something like this already, but I just figured I'd make a quick video. Obviously I'm going to remove the caliper, the rotor, and then of course this nut that's bolted onto the axle, and there's 3 bolts on the back, 3 or 4, that we'll get. So anyways, as you can see, this thing, you got the bushings there starting to rip. This whole thing, I got sway bar bushings worn out. This thing gets driven hard. But anyways, here, let me I'm just gonna put it up like that, and we'll just do our best. I had some constructive criticism from somebody, which I thought was hilarious. I went to their I clicked on their profile and they didn't even have any videos up. So anyways, they watched my the first episode of Corvette Auto Bodies, and he said something like, maybe if I actually picked up a wrench, the title would fit the video. And it's like, alright, well, there is part 2, 3, and 4, I think. So anyways, the guy must be gracing everybody with his YouTube wisdom, even though he doesn't have any videos, which I thought was hilarious. Anyways, guys, you're always gonna have somebody who's got an opinion, and you know, what are you gonna do? Alright, let's turn this way. I mean, I'm not mad at the fella. He or she, whatever. He has a point, of course. I watched that video I recorded forever ago, and all I do on there is talk. But that's kind of the point. I was talking about, you know, talking about the setup, the introduction, you know. So, anyways, I thought that was hilarious. But this is gonna be part 2. Again, hopefully the time lapse makes it onto the YouTube video. I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. But I had a wheel bearing noise started to come. I jacked it up. A quick and easy way to do that is to get your stethoscope with the vibration pointer, and you put it on the spring, the coil spring that's housed within the strut. And if you're having a hard time figuring out what side is making noise, the spring will tell you. Will tell you the whole story. So, anyways, let's start by getting this this caliper off real quick. Let me see here. All right. I may or may not have to do more than I think is necessary here. Hey now, you're an all-star. Calm down. Alright, let's get this up and out of the way. Let me get some zip ties. It's just, well, Let's see if I even have the knot here. Just do this. Oh, of course, they're right next to me. You know, if anybody even watches these videos, it's just a quick way to hang stuff like this. Just get yourself some zip ties that are strong enough. And I used to use bungee cords, but sometimes they're really difficult to get set up. So, and that could break, so I might do 2 on there. So, just because I don't want the whole caliper to fall apart, let me do that real quick. Okay, let's get this rotor off of there. This pretty rotor. Whoops. And do yourself a favor. Get you some PB or something, and spray it on the bolt holes, the back ends. Obviously, that's where the threads are. Watch your eyes. I should be wearing safety glasses. Co-worker of mine years ago got some of this stuff in his eye, and his eye looked like he dipped it in Tabasco. Like literally, it was that color. It was crazy. All right, so I've got a ABS sensor on here that I'm gonna squeeze away here. And as I get better at this, guys, I'll have different camera views. Obviously, I'm just trying to get this stuff done. I'm not trying to really come up with my own YouTube extravaganza here. I'm just having fun filming it. I thought it was hilarious that somebody actually had an opinion on that video. I told him, hey, I got my first hater. I'm making it big. And he comes back with... I wasn't hating, I was constructive criticism. Alright, well. If I wanted your constructive criticism, I would have asked you about it. So, anyways, guys, quick rule of thumb, you know? People don't want your opinion, you know? They really don't. Unless they ask you for it. You're going around thinking you know it all, man. Nobody likes people like that. And like I said, I ain't mad at the guy. I'm just commenting about it in the video because I think it's funny. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I'm always just talking around. Talk here. Alright, I'm going to get my big 34 millimeter. Shouldn't be that hard to get off. Let me make sure I don't have a sometimes you have to remove a little notch, but I think this is just, it's gotten nice and hot for the last couple months. Ridiculous. As you can see, guys, it's an oblong shape, so it's supposed to come on and off like that, but that was a little ridiculous. there. Alright, so let that clear off. What I'm going to do to make the CV axle get loose, I got my air hammer, my little pointed thing. I'm just going to press right in this deal here. Boom. Alright. Now it should give us a lot more room to attack the actual wear bearing nuts, and then we'll be in like Flynn, guys. We're almost done. Alright. Someday I'll get all this editing stuff figured out so I could, you know, obviously one thing I don't like about my videos is they're just so long. You know, it's just like goes on and on and on. So, alright. So this one's probably not gonna. It's a little bit difficult when you have the swivel on it here. These things don't like swivel. You know what I'm talking about? These don't like swivels. Now you gotta watch out when it backs up. This one I might do something different on. Let me see here. Jiggle. Way too much torque being lost. So what I'm going to do, see if I can get this on there. Nope. Nope. Alright, I'm just going to do it by hand here. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's see if I can access it here. We get a pipe on there. Super extender here. How's it going? Is this a good? Alright, is that even filming good? Yeah, my dad just texted me here. Perfect. Alright, well, I wish you could see the other side, but not much else to see. I'm gonna get that out of the loose. My dad needs to come over, for me to come over in about 30. Let's see here. Look at that. Just like butter. Right, now, get our super extender on there. The beauty is, you should be able to sleeve those in there. There's no reason to really take them all the way out. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this so we can get to the other side. And I'm just going to knock it out really quick, so I'm not going to change the camera angle. If I can reach it properly. Fuel pump there, doing the job. Okay, get this other side loose. Loose like a goose. Alright, let's see here. Come on, man, you don't want to get loose. Well, they don't want to just spring loose for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and convince it. Telling you what, guys, this penetrant lube is vital. I mean, it's not absolutely necessary, but I'm telling you, it's gonna break loose a lot of stuff a lot easier. Just do yourself a favor. Boy, I was getting bad, real bad. Bad Leroy Brown. Oh crap. If I ever am to make better and better videos, I gotta get the air compressor in a different spot. Alright. We're gonna straighten up the wheel so we can hopefully sneak the ABS cord out. And then we're probably gonna go about that here. Alright, let's see if we can get this. We're just gonna push it back. Something like that. There we go. Alright, woo! As you can see, totally rusted and whatnot. And then you can hear that? There's our noise. Alright. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get everything kind of cleaned up. I'm gonna probably end this video here. And hopefully I'll be able to tie all these videos together when I post it. So, trying to get fancy on them. That goes like that. Always remember how your bracket goes. You get all back together and realize you have it backwards or something. Alright, well, we're going to end it here. Wheel bearing is out. This darn thing's been making noise forever. I'm hoping the driver's side isn't close behind, you know. And also that it's not making a little bit of noise already. So anyways, over and out.